Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Shazam to Control Center, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access your particular app store and simply make sure you have downloaded the Shazam app. Now afterwards, if you scroll down, if you access your Control Center, you don't see the Shazam as the option. So now let's open it up, tap on continue, and now if I tap on this, which is simply allowed, right, now simply cancel, and if I scroll down I still won't be able to see Shazam as in my Control Center, right? Let's go back. So if I would like to add, so all I have to do is go to my settings, and right over here simply go ahead, choose this option of Control Center in the bottom, scroll down, and now you will be able to see Shazam right over here in the music recognition as an app, and tap on this plus icon beside. Now you can see it is added on top. If I access my Control Center, I'll be able to see Shazam as an option on top. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.